Hey guys, it's Jennifer and welcome to another day of 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel. If you're new here and you don't know what that is, I am uploading a different Halloween look all 31 days of October. This is by far my favorite time of year. I am a spooky bitch. It is spooky bitch season. I'm living my best life this month. So today we are, as you can tell from the title up above, we are a she-devil, and my child is sick and in my room with her dada, so I can't go get like some other shirt. I definitely would not wear this shirt out with this situation. I would wear like a little red or black dress, definitely some like flowy layers or something, and I would definitely have some nails going on, but it's fine. So I am going to stop rambling, get off of here, and go ahead and jump into the video. I hope you guys enjoy. If you do, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more spooky shit all 31 days of October. Alright guys, so we're going to start off like normal by priming our eyes with any white concealer. It doesn't have to be white, really. I use white because I'm super pale. I'm going to blend that out, and I'm going to take it all the way up to my eyebrow and pretty far down below my eye, and just blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm taking a small little detailing brush and a paler orange shade out of this Blue Cosmetics palette, and I'm mapping out where I want my eyeshadow shape to be. I really didn't need to do it into my crease. I really just needed that winged out shape defined for me, or I would have blended clear out to my ear. Now I'm taking the bright red shade out of the palette and blending that all over my lid into my crease and following that shape we made on our outer eye. I end up going over it with the darker red in the palette just to deepen everything up, doing the same thing all over the lid, into the crease, and following that shape on the outer edge. Now I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow and a small little definer brush, and I'm following along the edge of the eyeshadow and into my crease, and then blending all of that out pretty severely. That black shadow was not wanting to blend, and I don't know why, but I'm attempting to blend it out pretty well. I'm going over the inner portion of my eyelid with the red eyeshadows, and then we're going to do our face makeup. I cut out a lot of it, and I don't know why, but for my eyebrows I did the normal routine and put red eyeshadows over them. I also added some shimmer to my lid. I'm highlighting with a white shade out of this Anastasia palette, and then I go over it with that Wet n Wild red highlight. I found it in their Halloween makeup section, but you can use whatever you want. You don't have to add red highlight. I'm super pale, so I did very, very little and blended over it again. Tightlined my eyes pretty heavily with any black eyeliner you have, and then I smudged it out using the definer brush that had some of the black and red eyeshadows onto it. Then all we're going to do is add mascara and some false lashes. For the lips today, I'm going with a basic blue toned red liquid lipstick. It is so stinking pretty, and that completes this look, guys. You can mix it up however you want to, and yeah, pretty simple look. Alright guys, so that was my she-devil look. Of course, if I was actually wearing this out, I wouldn't wear a men's raglan. This lash is not behaving. Anyway, if I was really gonna wear this look out, I would not wear a raglan. I would wear like a cute like red dress. If you guys recreate this look, be sure you tag me on Instagram. It's always linked down below. I would love to see you guys recreating and making your own little spin out of my stuff. There's a train going by and I don't know if you can hear its little toot toot horn, but if you can, I'm sorry, I apologize. I got these horns on Amazon for like, I think they were like $4 or $5. They were really cheap. They're super thin and flimsy, but they're very tall and they're very glittery. So I was all about it. The two eyeshadow palettes I used were the Rude Cosmetics Lingerie Collection Naughty Nights, and I used the shades Make Me Blush and French Kiss, the bright red and dark red. And then out of the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette, I literally just used the black shade. You guys can recreate this with any eyeshadows you have. And also, I definitely forgot to mention, the lip color I'm wearing is the e.l.f. Liquid Matte Lipstick in Red Vixen. This is so pretty, and they have several shades. I own several shades of this. This is a really, really nice formula. I'm gonna stop talking. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. We are so stinking close to my 200 subscriber mark, and like I said, if we hit that in October, the giveaway video will go up in November, in about 2 weeks or so, because 31 days of Halloween is important. Okay, so have a lovely day. I'm gonna get off of here now.